السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. النهاردة هنتكلم عن برنامج جديد للمونتاج هيساعدكم في شغلكم.
Salam alaikum, this is Al speaking. I create the full video without showing my face or even recording my voice. Let me show you how to do the same thing in less than 5 minutes.
Before anything, support me with a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, write them in the comments. Signing up is completely free and you'll get 600 points to try it out. All the links are in the video description below. Check them out and inshallah you'll love it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and drop your questions in the comments. Here we'll upload our own audio file. I had already created an audio file earlier using a tool called Fish Audio. I'll send you a tutorial for it later. Now I'll upload the file and get back to you.
A few moments later.
After you upload the audio, click on Continue and wait for it to load. What's cool about the website is that it automatically converts your voice into text. Then, click on Continue again and wait for it to load one more time. Now, you'll see a bunch of avatars, both male and female. You can choose the one you like, or simply click on Auto-Generate and wait a bit.
A few moments later.
Here, the prompt gives you a description of the character, and in another section, you can select whether your avatar is male or female. For example, I'm going to choose male. You can also choose another avatar at the same time. For example, I might choose the one with green hair.
A few moments later.
And after the long loading time, this is the result. You'll see both the male and female avatars, and of course the website gives you the option to choose either the male or the female character. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. النهاردة هنتكلم عن برنامج جديد للمونتاج هيساعدكم في شغلكم. لأن البرنامج ده سهل الاستخدام وفيه مميزات كتير هتوفر وقتكم. لو الفيديو عجبكم ما تنسوش اللايك والاشتراك في القناة، وإن شاء الله نشوفكم في الفيديو الجاي. And that's the end of the video. Of course, the video is in Egyptian Arabic because I'm from Egypt. To sum it up quickly, you can benefit from this in many ways, like creating content for social media, making promotional videos, or even producing UGC and other types of content. At the end of the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. And inshallah, I'll keep bringing you more and more about AI. Salam.